Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, the insurance company sent me a blood pressure checker. We're going to open this and see how we use it, okay? Stay with us. Here we are. Got this in the mail from the insurance company. It is a blood pressure checker. Not sure why they sent it. Maybe they're trying to tell me something. I need to watch my blood pressure. But here's your instruction booklet. Tells you how to use it, how to set, put it together and all that. Here is your arm wrap. Wow. It does stick together good, doesn't it? Here is your digital monitor. There it is, digital monitor. The little hole in the side right there is where this plugs in. It blows this up. Now, you have to put batteries in it. See, I've already put some batteries in it here. It has a charging cable in case you have...
Attention, please. Please keep silent and relax.
Talks to you also, hear that? I'll put that right there. It came with some batteries. I didn't see those. I could have used their batteries. There's your charging cable. You want to plug it in the USB port. If you have a rechargeable batteries port here on the side, this plugs into right there. Okay. We'll put that over there out of the way. Get all this out of the way. See what we can do here. Now this has memory in it, so it'll store your readings. It'll store it for two different people. While you're in the sleep mode, it's not turned on here. You can see it's in sleep mode. You want to hit the set for like 3 seconds. See, it came up there with one person on it. If you want to go to the second person, hit the memory button and it'll go down to person number 2. I'm going to go back up to person number 1. There's your date right there. Change the date by pushing the month. Push it one time in memory, it'll go up a month each time you press it. Then hit set again, it goes over to the day of the month. Hit the memory button to change it again. You go up one day each time you press it. Next is time. Looks like it's in 24-hour time. So that's 1513. That's what, 313? You subtract anything over 1200, subtract 1200 from it, and that's the time of the day it is, okay? Okay, there you can change the date, the time, by slipping through it right on the set right there. You can turn the speaker on and off. I have the speaker on. You can see that. All right, there it is. Goes back into the sleep mode. Take your hose for your air. Plug it in right here on the side. Right there. Plug it in. Set that little guy down right there. Put this on your arm. Some of the instructions say you want to be sure there's no clothes of any kind underneath it. So pull your sleeve out of the way if you need to. This needs to go approximately an inch above the elbow. Okay. Want to be sitting comfortable, both feet flat on the floor. Your hand out like this with your palm open. Don't be moving your fingers. That'll affect the pressure. So what do you say we take a blood pressure, okay? All right, let's take a blood pressure check. Remember, pull your sleeve up out of the way here. Put this little guy on right here above your elbow, right there, okay? Pull it down like that. Be sure you're sitting both feet flat, comfortable. Your palm up like this, okay? Lay it down on the table. You don't want to be moving it around in hands and all that. Press the start, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, let's start the check. Push on.
Attention, please. Please keep silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Start measurement now. Your systolic blood pressure is 138 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure is 61 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your heart rate is 53 beats per minute. Measurement over. According to the World Health Organization standards, your blood pressure levels probably indicate is normal. Thanks for using. Wishes you good health.
Okay, you see how it works. Check my blood pressure. It's in the normal range, it says. Pull that, take it off. When you're ready to store it, take that out of the way. Whoops. Fell off, didn't it? Okay. Now, if you go and press memory here, it'll come in and give you your average readings, and then you can look through all the other readings. So let's see what we can do here.
The average blood pressure, your systolic blood pressure was 138 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure was 60 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your heart rate was 52 beats per minute. According to the World Health Organization standards, your blood pressure levels probably indicate was normal.
Okay, there's your last reading. It's going back and showing you a few others. It'll step through them, I think.
Your systolic blood pressure was 100 and your systolic blood pressure was 100.
All right, there you are. You can see how that works now. If you want to put in rechargeable batteries, you can, because there's a port right there and a charging cable for it. There's your blood pressure. Now, I've got one I check on my wrist I've been using for quite some time, but this is a new one the insurance company sent me. I guess they're trying to tell me I need to start checking it. So, all right, there's how you use it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I got a lot more videos up there. Go check out all the playlists. See you next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.